estradini vandaag. Lando Miriam. Kwartier. Het is estradini. Application fee, the registration fee. Just to bear, no, just to bear so.
So barre why we are manana to go in or masadi barata laula ene. Barre.
Ankere bare
But that's why the see what
Marangiti ba show bathi umfazi kwa yini unalimsali wa yini unalimsali wa that's why uba list tip muthu ana tip
talking about general not where all the provider in the house barre wena no sala khona uhlala ngokuba bakho ile plan you apply and then barre give us step one to step one apply to increase
keep going
application
400 keep him ngane bona ama ATM ba ilipsa abantu cancel Pero no problem. For
visit our website foundationnima.org for more information. This is an
mara zosiza lento ukuthi sithenga amathikiti we-seasonal yabona njengokota festival next month isithi enye next month isithi enye yabo lazo uyishekile mthweni kubothaya ile ya reka jwala ko I must try it out. Ungafika la collect ama-drinks waro siyazi ukuthi cashless bese imali siyazi budget yonke seyiphelele
The Big Breakfast Show.
So about the constitution, doesn't mean it illegal. When being illegal in another country,
awumathutha moya phela nangu uyangena nga-indicator awu madoda Alidingi no doubt. Hayi. Yeah, bangizoba ngiphana ilusi.
usamufela 200 wathathele yona wena
Hayi baby man. Yabona le no 200 bathi bayetsa chelete bathi bona. Vele ngabona naye futhi ngithi ngimtshela ngithi ngikayile 100 rand change. Athi no. Futhi nami ngindaba i-approach yami yabo ngithi sanibona futhi ninjani athi hayi number 1 mfowethu ngithi hayi number 1 ethi hayi futhi omdala ngifuna we-20 ama-20 ayi-5 futhi omdala I hope awungeke ungishaye kakhulu yabo athi sengithembe ukuthi ayi-5 yabo nawe uzovele ungephi single piece nawe ye-clip siphume endaweni yebhali yabona athi akunajive mfowethu Akunajive mfethu ayona ikhona i-change vela hayi pa me simple. Mara bana babathu ba kidi stance, it's called stance.
Stand sakho mangabi inkinga esakho futhi akuhle
Shit. And when I'm at my because Buffalo the spring, but I'm as well. Yes, I saw it a long time.
Family was the house.
King David.
So with you and you are shooting more about they're hanging out.
What happens is yes,
Mfethu abantwana yaba ngasala abantwana bendoda or kanjani
namhlanje ungabafonela babuza ukuthi ngingabona
basala babasiyele bangana bawo laba kare basala bana bawo bebalekana le usiya bana bawo le manga
ngihleli nabantwana
mara obvious angithi gugubo kuyadependa mfethu if bokuyindlu endoda yabo mara if bohlala kithi then akusindlu yethu thina besifoster
bane basafosa bare monna hae kwa bona ba mokopile hore dula because itlo sala le mang itlo sala ile end so dula mo wena le mosadi wa o le family tla ba ha hao ha fetsa o shwa ba ko ba mosadi yo ba re tsene sa ka ntse tsa mo bona go ya kae Nahana
go sign and funa a white wedding, a big wedding and funa go sign ngabe no sign yo ma sign phela automatically izinto sibenze and it's okwami okwakho
Staying in a small place with lots of furniture.
It's a family house.
Wants to go back to the
example,
family house.
wangabuyeli in
after 30 years
wangabuyeli in
after 30 years we were kushwitz babana simatches ba o adule kwa because awuna motho setseng le nna la sponya go Yesu isethu ko tlung le mosadi le bana ama ubuya wena ubuya ugcwele it's not if velo bukuna le thula to go to acting
so why bonga encourage umuntu ukuthi at least nitholela okwa la wena uzohlala
the problem is guy kwabona baba kupinde ba re bula because so wena sakini njengomfana uyila sibona ekhaya hlala la nomfazi wakho wena wakhe umuntu wakho
yeah
bese wahlala nawe bakuthulekile understand and then now asethuthile ba remote le kaina mwasa leyo tsama
indaba la mfethu bane right mara also they need to kick you out in a good way.
Bottom line, you are homeless. La noma bangakutshela.
Mara nawe bowazi uhlala nale ndoda ukuthi akusukwa ndoda
ukubo. Mara ke hakudula especially sonke.
Mayi ufuna kwenza kalini? Ufuna kwenza kalini?
Yakitsamaya nantu eseyithoba le moto. Bitsekile mo because awona muntu.
Yeah.
Yona vele kino ba ene now icabanga batho banyetse because like go hard ukudla mo. Then when you think I'm
so when okay ke utla ka fela. Mara since wena or ke tloka fetsi ne dula yesu ufuna kwenza kalini ba accommodate
it's where I've lived for the past 30 years at home. Where should I go now today?
Mara akusukwa ndoda akusukwa kwakho
I'm not saying I'm taking it over. Litsekile mo esma go idiwa lona re ka teng le mo benyana.
Okay mangasahleleki
Mangasahleleki njani?
Makungasahleleki maybe like umuntu akasekho lo oze ngaye lapho what must happen
so I can't terms and conditions wabona yona nto etenang ba tsomsino ngibale stranded and you left me and my husband to go make a plan ukuhloba mkhukhu ko kwatela yetsa go ngebe ke so homeless today but you forced us to stay here because nelere recording now sa shule akisa le pata family ke kae nna today ke kae today kate ke kae
yenu yena bakuba akiruta maisitso ke marato
go is not always an option I say everyone ya bona le kwa bona number 1 I say everyone ona le happy home number 2
mara manje lento izele lapho seyiphelile what must happen
I should stay.
You should stay. Okay, asithi udecide ukujola ngelinye ilanga. Then what must happen?
Monday to Thursday from 7 to
What
9
decide? Maybe one day wena uthola muntu.
on radio.
And then usakabona strategy
Music, your memory.
wajola. Mara usafuna ukuhlala lapho or ufuna ukubambela kithi.
Voice note that I
Yeah,
just
wa bona
played,
bela go
with
ke
the
tla
lady
understand.
who was,
Ba ke tsola ko strategy.
good Makoti.
Ke ga ke tsole go yena, ke tsola ko strategy. Ene ngwana kwa yena o
who
tshole ke
ended up,
motsotsi.
who married
Mara wajola mara udula Yesu. Wabona hore ngcono uvele uvaye uzicreate life yakho phume entweni eningi.
No,
I
that's
don't know
so
what's
fish.
here.
That's not selfish. That's living. That's moving on. Right.
What happens is aphume kubo because bathi indlu izosala nobani bekuyi-last born. The only thing ebuhlungu yenzekile ukuthi he passed on. Khona manje mina nabantwana asinandawo yokuhlala bangitshela ukuthi ebekisihlanganisile kuphelile.
So
Sometimes
lezindlela
sibheke ngendlela eziningi.
Mara still it turns a movie on.
amuve ona
Ikhona
ekhaya.
into eyenzakalayo kwabanye abomakoti. Yes, abanye bafike bona bafuna ukuba yi-steering
Amuve ona ayekhaya.
but thina abanye sifika si-humble. Nanamhlanje noma ungabafoneli
Ona nje
ukuthi
ngitho
ngingakwenza.
baby it's not that
Abana
simple.
mpilo.
Ona le batho ba mphemo.
Ngikhuluma nawe nje.
Nelly housewife.
Ngihleli nabantwana endaweni encane.
And for the last 30 years, nakuthi hamnatile bonaya
Mara tshwantse family manje ebona ngabe kuyindlu ye-out when you understand.
That's why they're having this conversation hore bomakoti ba modimo ba hlele kabuhlungu ba tshakile. Wena phesa ka idulu.
Uzi ukuthi nje akakwazanga ukuyicabangela. That's it. Waka
Right now if I told you I'm from
So papi.
Uklala
so papi
Eh?
so papi
Kophe.
hayi jabuso so papi
Ke kophe.
ngibona masango ayakhona phela aye lawo beswabhekile musa pick and peel pick and peel. I never like.
It's funny how you'll never force the motor
Mara,
now we are
okay,
forced to
okay.
like
Asithi mina bengihlala kini ke. Okay, let's just say roles were 10 and then nakidula yini.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nakidula yini. Expect or out of kafala kidula yini as the outie. What type of guy is it making me?
What type of guy does it make you to stay in my house the first beginning? Since I'm getting
think we have to have a plan B for survival.
Yeah.
If at all we don't have plan B, then we're in shit. Do you know that? We're in shit if we don't have plan B.
Yeah,
Why are you there?
Yeah, lento leyo ukuthi ndoda must.
Not a mask.
Hayi.
Guys, I found out why Hans always say in Dotamas.
Mara asoro jona.
Ayisebenzi. Utloka ka. The best ama. This is the key test to this. When I am ngampaya lukanos. Orle. For in how apart chekamba na babang.
Ay ka yon.
Kisama.
That's why ke go reka ntho ngwana dilo ko ntlo. Aka se ke rekeng ka yona, nka se tsamae strateng nna le ena ka yona. So e reka fela gore a dilo ko ntlong. That's why
I'm rekela swimming pool. Avoid that with X. Keep the sleep so that you can avoid X.
Jwanong go tseng after 30 years o bitse X to the built in because ba ya qosha.
Angizuna si sleep. Let's have it isifake file heavy. Nakuzofika kithi maqedwe mocabanga ukuthi mangibhoda ucabanga ukuthi bazobekela nje. Unless kukwami. Uma kukwami.
Ungavumi nawe wena njengendoda.
Nawe as umfazi nabo kufanele ukuthi ungibonise nawe ukuthi ukuhlala kithi. Sho ukuthi bokubheda ngalo. Na khona. Ufuna malini? 2 rand. Malini 2 rand. Don't forget to like and subscribe.